Now I'm going to show you how to connect the 4G model OSI Smart Alarm System to your Wi-Fi network. Before we start, ensure that you have your smartphone and OSI alarm system in front of you. At this point, you should have already installed SmartLife on your phone and made an account. Also, please ensure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Due to the SmartLife app updating periodically, these steps may change slightly over time. First, open the SmartLife app, then select Add Device. This blue button only appears if this is the first time adding a device to the SmartLife app. If you already have other devices installed in the SmartLife app, then you'll just press the plus icon on the top right corner and then select Add Device. Then select the Add button. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please note that if you have a smart modem, it should auto-populate the correct Wi-Fi network. So if it does, just enter your password. Then select Next. You will then see the screen showing alarm host being added. This can take anywhere between 15 seconds to 1 minute. When you see that the device has been added successfully, you can now select Done. You can now perform a quick test to confirm that your smartphone or tablet is connected to your OSI alarm panel. Press the disarm button on the app and you should automatically hear the alarm panel say System Disarmed.
System disarmed.
And that's it. Your OSI alarm system is now connected to your Wi-Fi network and appears on your SmartLife app.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.